guys. Thanks for joining me. How do I listen? How do I hear? Good? Not too loud? Okay, no. Looking at the line behind us, I think I should write a book, but given that it's an event, I'll just go with a presentation. So my name is Aaron Weiner. I run the SAP HANA Cloud Partner Program in North America. Today is a special day for me, so I just mentioned it there. It is my birthday, so feel free to clap and say happy birthday, Aaron. Okay, thank you. So today, this is the first session in a series of sessions that we have here in this event, talking about the cloud application market and what is the opportunity for SAP and for partners of SAP and the SAP ecosystem in this big market. So when we look at the market, and we're actually particularly looking at the cloud application slice of the market, and I'm sure you heard different numbers around this event about sizes of the market, but we're actually focusing on the cloud application portion of it. And not only is it a humongous number over there, it's a $17 billion market this year, it's actually a very interesting market for us and for our ecosystem. Because this market not only is growing 4 times bigger than the on-premise traditional application marketplace, but this market is actually one of the core pillars of SAP's strategy of growth. So we actually are leveraging the cloud application market to grow the addressable market for SAP from 100 billion to 200 billion. And why is it so important for our partners in ecosystem? Because we are committed that 80% of the applications that we will take to market will actually be developed by our partners. Okay, so that is a very big opportunity, and we are here to share it and invite our partners to collaborate with us and make available solutions and applications to leverage this opportunity. In this slide, and it's a very condensed slide, I was trying to summarize the entire SAP strategy around cloud. And SAP actually plays in many different places of the cloud, but what we are going to focus on today in the session is actually the underlying foundation of our entire cloud strategy. And this is the HANA Cloud Platform. Okay? On top of it, what you can see, we actually offered our own virtualized private cloud that you can manage with it, hosting partners host. We have our cloud marketplace where we enable our customers to find out more applications coming that they could actually deploy in their cloud. And we have a bunch of applications that we ourselves developed and took to market. We have around 30 applications today. For those of you that are familiar with them, we have applications in different pillars. We have applications to manage people, mostly HR and HCM. For those of you who are familiar with SuccessFactors, a recent acquisition, mostly applications coming from them. We have applications to manage your customers, CRM, sales, services, and so on. We have applications to manage your money, the financial piece of it. So a financial cloud with financials, travels, budgets, and so on. And we have solutions for the supplier side of the world, sourcing, procurement, and so on. On top of it, we actually have solutions that enable us to collaborate, business-to-business collaboration, and people-to-people collaboration. Just to give you an example of how big this cloud is, today among these 4 pillars and 30 applications that I just mentioned, we have over 29 million SAP business users that are using these different applications. Just to give you a sense of the magnitude, they're running transactions of over $460 billion on these applications. Okay, so there's a world-class, one of the largest business networks out there, all running on the SAP HANA Cloud. If we deep dive into the HANA Cloud Platform itself, it's basically a platform as a service. Okay, so it's not boxes, it's not infrastructure, it's a platform that is running inside the SAP Cloud. Okay? This platform has 2 main layers to it. The bottom layer is basically our database layer. For those of you that are familiar with the SAP HANA, this is basically a database as a service delivered in our cloud. Okay? This is the fastest in-memory database out there, enabling you to do transaction analytics all in one database. The top layer is what we call our app services. This is basically an aggregation of services that enable you to develop your apps in our cloud, integrate them into SAP applications or other applications in a standard-based way. Okay? Just to summarize, this platform components, and I won't touch all the points here, but the important points are that it's based on standards. It's a Java stack supporting all the latest and greatest standards out there, so nothing proprietary, no lock-in, no vendor lock-in. It's a platform that is trying to encourage developers vendors and partners to develop their apps, extend the SAP portfolio, and go to market together with us. It's the first one to actually run on top of HANA as a database, which enables you, as I said, to deliver analytics and transactions in the speed of light. It has out-of-the-box connectivity to all the SAP backend systems, whether it's on-premise systems or SAP systems running on other clouds or on the SAP cloud itself. And it has federated security and identity management, which is very critical when you go into the enterprise, one user all across all the different systems that you run. And the last piece, which is very critical for our partners, once you develop on top of our platform, you're integrated automatically to the commercial side of it. So we will automatically put you on our marketplace and offer your solution to our customers. How do you take part of that and how do you join it? That's where we actually framed and created our SAP HANA Cloud Partner Program. And in very general, this is a program that its goal is to support our commitment to enable as many partners to develop their apps on top of our platform. Okay? So in the program, we actually deliver enablement services for you as partners all across the process, from enabling you to learn about our technology, to enabling you to develop on top of our technology, enabling you to certify your solutions on our technology, and most importantly, and this is where we differ from most partner programs, we actually will go to market together with you. Because as I said, SAP is depending on you as partners to generate more and more applications so we can take to market together with you. And that's a very big differentiator. We have big communities that are actually developing around our cloud platform. So any question technically, we can actually get you answered very quickly. We have teams that will collaborate with you all across, from development to architecture, to even deciding what is the right app that I should develop inside the SAP landscape. And later on, as I said, we will help you certify your solution, which is very critical for our customers. And later on, we will go together with you to market. Around the program itself, the program has a yearly fee of almost 2,000 euros, which as part of it, we will actually give you all these enablement services, and we'll basically give you all the software licenses that you need to start developing today and get to market as fast as possible. Just to give an example, and you meet later on in the session some partners that are in the program, from A to Z, all this can happen in a matter of weeks. And this is the beauty of the cloud. To create an instance that enables you to develop your new app, integrating into an SAP backend is something that takes us now seconds. To actually get you enabled and developed, leveraging this open standard platform is something that actually happens instantaneously, nothing to learn here. And from that moment, certifying and going to market, which is the critical point for you as a partner. As I said, the go-to-market is very critical to us, because most partners and most partner programs, they'll say, come and join us. We'll help you develop an app, but good luck, you're on your own. And as I said, for SAP, it is core to go to market together with our partners. So when our sales executives go to sell to new customers, our partner portfolio is a very critical piece of what they sell, and that is one of the biggest powers that SAP has to offer to its customers. So when we tell our partners in the program, we will go to market together with you, we mean it. Not only will we put you on an application store and say, good luck, but we'll actually go to market with you. What does that mean? There are many activities that are driven by SAP. We drive a lot of traffic to our own store, and we do a bunch of go-to-market activities, from campaigns using our own social media, from newsletters, from events, our own events like this, where we invite our partners to co-present with us and co-host it, and you'll meet some of our partners during this event. And awareness that we actually generate not only externally to our customers, but we actually create a lot of awareness for our partners, even internally. So the SAP sales guy is familiar with all the solutions that are relevant for him in a specific industry, in a specific line of business, or in a specific geographic that he's selling to. In addition to that, we actually enable our partners to do a lot of marketing activities on their own. Okay, so we'll provide you a lot of education training, how to leverage the brand, how to leverage the technology. We'll give you even infrastructure, how to create campaigns on your own. And of course, everything will be co-branded with SAP. So when you're going to market, it's not you on your own, it's SAP and you, partner, going to our customers, which here again is a very big matter of trust for our customers. A bit about the SAP store. So it's not just an application store, it's an enterprise application store. It is the one-stop shop for all SAP customers to find solutions. And by the way, it's not only partner solutions, SAP solutions are offered on the same store. Today the store has more than 2,000 solutions on it, drives more than 1 million people a year to visit there, and we're talking about a very focused group of people. These are business users, leveraging and using SAP software and running enterprise applications. Okay, so very target audience, all coming to one location. We have our own app for the store, and just as testimonial, more than 65,000 people are running with the SAP store today on their mobile devices with the ability to find solutions that they need by line of business, by industry, or by the role that they play in. Okay? And as I said, a very critical piece here, that it's part of how SAP goes to market. Okay, so you're not on your own. It's not a channel only for you as a partner. It's a channel for SAP as well. And it's a channel that is part of the sales mix, is every SAP account executive is familiar with. Okay? And last but not least, and I talked about it earlier, the store is basically the center of all the go-to-market activities that we do. So if we run campaigns, if we go to events, if we do a lot of demand generation activities, all lead back to the store. And this store enables us not only to offer your solutions to our customers, but it enables the customers to discover your solutions, to try your solutions, and even to transact on the store and buy your solutions. And especially in domains of cloud and mobile, this is really end-to-end, because a customer can really press the button, buy a solution, and it's provisioned in the cloud. Okay, so this is the real vision of an enterprise store end-to-end. Yeah, question? For non-profit. So this is a commercial store. So here it really depends on your solution and what you're offering there. We can take that offline and discuss. I need more ideas about it because it's not the classical scenario, I would say. Okay. Any other questions, by the way? Feel free. Okay. Just another cool thing that we do once in a while here again among the excitement and the awareness. We actually run a lot of app challenges where we encourage our partners not only to develop and join our partner programs, but they actually are adding some excitement to the game. And we're offering prizes and challenges. Not only that, but these challenges are getting more and more awareness out there. So we talk about these challenges in our events. We tweet about it on all the social media and so on. So this is a great opportunity for partners that are interested to develop around the SAP technology, around the SAP HANA Cloud, to actually participate in these cool challenges. If you're interested in that, there's a very nice timeline that actually starts today. You learn about our program, learn about our technology, join the app challenge. Okay, get educated, we'll help you get trained, we'll teach you whatever you need to learn in order to develop applications like that. And in order to actually win or to actually qualify for it, by the 15th of August, your application needs to be on the store. Okay, and as I said, it's a very long time frame because things are made today so quickly, but we encourage partners to join, learn, enable themselves, and actually, this is a very exciting challenge today. So again, this is actually my last slide. This is where I would love to actually invite you all for questions. As I said, you're all welcome to join us in this great opportunity. Okay, it's an opportunity that on our own, we can't make it. We can't develop all the software in the world. And we're actually, as I said, eager to get partners to join us. And as I said, we'll enable you all the way and go together to market with you. Okay, so you can actually see all the information if you want. We're on the HANA Cloud App Center. You can see all the information about all the stages of our program. Once you want to join, just press the button and you're in our program, and actually we'll start working together with you. And as I said, later in the conference, you'll have the opportunity to hear and talk with partners that are in the program, that went through the process, and their testimonial on how it is, and how it is actually going to market in such a rapid way through this program. So before I wrap, any questions? Yeah, go ahead. So SAP right now it was founded in the 70s. Yeah, so how's it possible? So SAP didn't start as a cloud company in the 1970s. It started as an ERP company, and it's actually the largest ERP company in the world. Over $20 billion of revenue selling ERPs. And basically cloud is new for us, and it's part of our strategy to actually grow our business and to actually enable customers to develop quicker, to enjoy all this richness of the cloud on top of the on-premise application that we already have from SAP. Okay, so SAP, long timer and the biggest player basically in the business application. Okay. Any more questions? Yeah, go ahead. Yes, I have some examples, and actually some of them will be on stage later in this conference. One that you'll see later on today, cloud data. So provide analytics in the cloud, very interesting scenario, you'll see it today. Another one that you'll see on Wednesday, their name is Cultura. They actually provide a video service platform in the cloud, enabled through the HANA Cloud portal to all of our customers. Another one that is not here with us is called Mobidel, a lot of process optimization. So again, there's a bunch of them. It's a new program. We have up today around 50 partners that are working through the program. And by the end of the year, we'll probably have 100 of them. Between HANA Cloud and Mobility, which we launched initially, we will have probably around 500 partners by the end of the year. And as I said, we're looking to get as fast as possible solutions in the market and actually fulfill what our customers are looking for. Anybody else? Questions? Awesome, guys. So we'll be here in the lounge if you want any other questions. As I said, later on today, there's a deep dive into the technology of HANA Cloud around 4 o'clock. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the stack, listen to a partner that actually is integrating very tightly to the stack, we're going to do that. And later during the week, we have more sessions about the different topics that we just covered. So thank you very much, and yeah, have a great conference.